Hello everyone, this is Tanishka representing Auro Realty. As we embrace the joyful spirit of this ongoing festive season, we take an opportunity to share the remarkable journey of our esteemed project Kohinoor at Hi-Tech City. The construction update is for the third quarter of 2023, that is as on 1st of October 2023. In Phase 1, we've successfully completed the structural work for all the three towers, Crystal, Marvel and Regal. Moving to Phase 2, we've also accomplished the structural work for all three towers, Imperial, Jewel and Sparkle. As of Phase 3, the Dazzle Tower has progressed to the 5th floor. Coming to Phase 2, the external painting works for Imperial Tower are now 60% complete. Talking about Jewel and Sparkle Towers, the external painting works have commenced. Let's know more about the heart of luxury and recreation, Club Kohinoor. The structure works have been completed by 100%. Interior works are making steady progress and are completed by 60%. As we dive into the leisurely oasis of fun and refreshment, the swimming pool, the structure and waterproofing works are fully completed. Other finishing works like deck tiling and kids pool have been commenced. Testing, commissioning and pump room work will be initiated simultaneously after the swimming pool tiling. Additionally, the double height lobby interior works for Tower Crystal, Marvel and Regal are also advancing smoothly with an impressive completion of 60%. In Phase 1, the podium level works are in progress with waterproofing and hardscape works close to 90% of completion. Also, storm water network and irrigation piping works are completed by 90%. The corridor flooring work for all the towers of Phase 1, Marvel, Crystal and Regal is completed by 100%. The fall ceiling work for Tower Marvel and Crystal is 95% complete and for Tower Regal is completed by 100%. Lift lobby works are done 100% and staircase works are done 100% for all three towers. Considering the electromechanical works, the fire-related works and electrical works are completed by 100% in all three towers. Coming to Imperial Tower of Phase 2, the corridor flooring is completed by 10% and fall ceiling works is completed by 10%. Considering electromechanical works, fire-related works are completed by 70%, electrical works are done by 30%. To talk about the elevator works for all the three towers of Phase 1, the installation of the passenger elevator works are completed by 100% and the commissioning work is in progress. Now coming to Imperial Tower in Phase 2, the service elevator work has been commenced. Passenger elevator civil works have been completed and handed over for commencing of electromechanical works. Now let's understand the current progress of a few common works for Crystal, Marvel and Regal Towers of Phase 1. Bathroom flooring and dado works for all the towers are fully complete. Under the electromechanical works, in electrical works, the conduit works are completed by 100% and the electrical wiring works are completed by 100%. Coming to public health engineering works, piping works are fully done and chrome-plated sanitary installation is completed by 40%. Fire-related works are fully completed. Coming to heating, ventilation and air conditioning works, the copper piping work is in progress. Putty work is 100% completed. Painting works are completed by 70%. The balcony railing frame fixing for all the towers have been completed by 70% and the balcony's glass fixing for the frames have been completed by 50%. Fire doors of all towers have been successfully installed. Talking about Imperial Tower, The fire-related works are completed by 60%. The heating, ventilation and air conditioning works are completed by 20%. Flooring and dado works are completed by 40%. Putty works have been completed by 20% and painting works have been commenced. Now let us understand the current progress of few common works in Tower Crystal, Marble and Regal of Phase 1. The marble flooring is completed by 100% in all 3 towers. The window work is complete by 100% and door related work is 85% complete for all 3 towers, Crystal, Marble and Regal. Coming to Imperial Tower of Phase 2, the marble works are completed by 50%. The work of windows and wooden doors has commenced. Now let us understand the basement works for Phase 1. The flooring and the painting works have been completed by 100%. In electromechanical works, the basement ventilation works are fully completed. The parking area electrification and lighting works are completed by 100%. In plumbing works, the water distribution and piping works are fully completed. The basement service rooms are completed by 100%. Both grand entry structures have been entirely constructed and finishing works are 80% complete, with feature wall works in progress. Additionally, the backfilling works are finished by 90%. Moving on to the basement of Phase 2, the flooring work is complete by 90%. First coat of painting works has been completed by 65%. Let's look at the progress made for a few common facilities. The compound wall works are completed by 60%. The landscape and hardscape amenities, including the sports amenities for Phase 1, are advancing smoothly and are expected to be completed by the end of October. The fire NOC works are already completed and other licensing works are in progress. Installing of the gas distribution network in the tower area is completed by 100%. That concludes the construction update of Project Kohinoor. Let's stay in touch with our timely updates as you witness the making of the marvelous project. Thank you for watching.